Hi everyone. So for this assignment, we have chosen Trend Analyzer amongst the three options. So this is the home page of the tool, as you can see. Now this application is mainly for content creators or marketers who are trying to discover the top short form content in a specific niche from social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, right? So our tool is specifically customized for Instagram and TikTok, as you will see. So the major features that we provide are niche based trend detection. So you can choose a particular niche like say wellness and fitness, and we'll give you top short form content on that. We also provide why the content is trending and certain description of the trend and the engagement metrics as well. After that, we format it in a proper manner and send it as an email. We also have the option to automate the process of sending reports every week. So once you've configured the scheduler, right, every week you'll automatically get these trend weekly summary reports, right? So how you can use this tool, you can navigate to the trend analysis page and you can select the filters, as I will show with an example. You can select the niche, the week, if you want to find trends for any past weeks, or also that's possible, and you can just enter the email address. So this page is basically for immediate retrieval of the summary. So if you quickly want the summary, you can just go to this page and get it, and you can, and if you want to store it, you can check the email address recipient box and it will send it to your email. Otherwise, if you want the tool to run a weekly analysis, you can go to scheduler settings, and you can, once you enable and configure the weekly analysis, you will automatically get these reports. You do not need to come to this API, right? Now, little about this API is that we have mainly used Perplexity to fetch and to summarize our results, and apart from that, we have automated the entire pipeline, right? So let me first start with how you can schedule your analysis. So you can go on enable weekly. You have to check this box, enable weekly analysis. You can select the niche for which you want the weekly analysis. You can select the day of the week. You can select the hour. You can enter your email address, right, and you can click on update schedule. So once you update the schedule, as you see, it shows that your weekly analysis for this niche is scheduled, and automatically the reports will be sent to this email ID. Right now, behind the hood for this, we are using AP scheduler. So let me show you that. Right, so behind this, we're using AP scheduler because it is fast, and it is reliable for background jobs, and it supports cron expressions, and it also integrates well with both Flask and Fast API, right? So that is why we've chosen this. Now going back to my code, to our tool. So now you can so this is how you schedule, you can schedule the reports. If you want immediate instant reports, you can go to this page, trend analysis. You can enter the niche. Say I am writing travel, I have chosen last week, and I want to send email report. If you don't want to send email report, just look at the output. You can just uncheck this box. You don't have to fill this, but if you check this box, you must fill this, and you click on analyze trends, right? So how our tool works is it will connect with Perplexity, and it will take this inputs that for this particular niche and for this particular week we want the latest trends. Before I show you the output, I also want to highlight that we have configured the model in such a way that we've configured the model in such a way that it will only search for Instagram and TikTok, and the search mode web is on, so that it can fetch online real-time reels, right? And we have used the Sonar model, which is good for web search and summarizing work quickly. And yeah, we've also adjusted for temperature so that we get consistent output, right? So, and one more thing to highlight is we have also adjusted our prompts, and we have done prompt engineering in such a way that it extracts viral content only in a selected niche, and it includes engagement metrics, and it shows why it is trending, and it ensures that the content is actionable and relevant also it makes sure that it gives you a mix of influencer plus viral videos. So it will also give you the latest trending influencer contents plus the viral videos, right? So going back to the output, right, so you can see within less than a minute only it got that output. So this content report is generated on June 18th. It's for the last week, right? And as you can see here, first we provide an executive summary of what all it's trending. So as per the summary, it's saying that it mainly luxury travel, emerging destinations and unique experiences. For example, wild swimming or astrotourism is what is generally trending these days. And you can also see the notable shifts. Okay, so you can see that the rise of adult only resorts or popularity of Italian destinations are increasing. So you know what the trend is going towards, right? Then it also talks about certain particular influencers that are that are doing really good and are trending. Okay, and it gives some other details about how TikTok versus Instagram and how are they doing, right? Then we go to top 10 key trending topics. So it shows, for example, it is showing that the sunset vibes at Remini Beach is trending a lot. It has 20 million views, 500k likes, 10,000 comments, 2,000 shares. Okay, the theme is mainly about luxury travel, emerging destinations, and scenic views. It also gives a description of what this reel is about. So it showcases the breathtaking sunsets, right? And it also mentions that it has become a global phenomenon on TikTok and Instagram, right? And it also mentions why it's trending, because it's a combination of natural beauty and the virality has made it a like must visit destination for travel bureaus. You can also click on this source, and once you click on it, you can see that you can go to the particular reel by Travel Bureau, which is about Rimini Beach near Bologna, and it talks about like it's a global trend over 20 billion, etc., etc., and why it's trending, right? So similarly, it gives other trending topics. The luxury getaway is trending, and it gives a performance engagement metrics, why it's trending, everything. It talks about astrotourism, wild swimming, and other whatever traveling at 80 plus. So it has fetched all the content and shown it in a simple clean format so that it's easily consumable to the users, and they can click on the links and see the videos. And if they're about influencers, they can see the influencer content, that what kind of it will go to the influencers profile, and you can see the kind of content that influencer is generating, which can help deciding what has made it viral, right? Similarly, so we're giving top 10, and right, and at the end we also give certain strategic recommendations that based on these trending, what we have figured out is showcasing unique experiences, emerging destinations, and luxury travel options is captivating audience, and TikTok is mainly for short form visually engaging, while Instagram is more for storytelling, and there's certain influencers which you can partner with for broader audience reach, right? Now, once we have done this, we then use Claude actually to format our output, because Claude does a better job in formatting and Perplexity does a better job in fetching current latest web search reels and generating the output. So as you can see, the formatting is also complete and the report is sent to the mail ID. So let me go here and let's see how the report looks. So it's the same thing, it's just formatted in a slightly better different way. So this is again the executive summary, the trending topics and all the details. And once you click on scheduler, this is the kind of mail that you will be getting every week, right? So that you'll be getting every week. So yeah, that's it, and thank you for the opportunity.